Hello. Hello. No. Hello. Yeah, that's better. Hello, new player. Welcome to this experience, and thank you very much for downloading it. No, that's too confident. Hello. Thank you very much for downloading this. Oh, and best of luck, I guess. And finally, welcome. Yep. Yep. That's the game. Why are you still here exactly? This is the game. Yeah, just get some confetti particles, get a text in a room, dark room, dramatic, and that's about it. Just feel free to leave. Bye. That was fun. Thank you very much for coming. Bye. So, you're either very patient, which would be a good thing, or very persistent, which I think would be a good thing too, or very stupid, which is less of a good thing, or you are just plain annoying. Because it's not hard to press Alt F4 and just leave the game, you know? So I'm just trying to think of something that could make you leave. What can I make easily? Oh, I know. Maybe I can just add a door there. Yeah, just right there. Just take that door, and you should be able to leave the game. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's the door. Yeah, that door. Yeah, just open the door. Once it's open, it will close the game, and you win. That's, yeah, you win once you open the door. Yeah, you know how to open doors in games, right? Just press F, and it should open. Or maybe it was E. It depends on the game. I don't remember what action key I said. Let's just click, or maybe it's trigger. Maybe you can just step out. Yeah, try stepping out again of the door, and try coming again towards the door. Maybe it will open. No, no. I'll try to open it from my end. Just a sec. Welcome again. I thought you left. Didn't you go through the exit portal? Ah, yes, you did. Why are you still here then? Oh, that's so weird. Um, tell you what, I'm gonna just make another door behind you. Just go through it and it should exit your game. Just believe me. Yeah, that's the door. Yeah, just go through it. Just wait a sec. Yeah, sorry about that too. I just wanted to try that out. I'm sure you didn't fall for it, but I just had to try. Now, actually, I'm a bit busy, so I will just ask you not to touch anything and just stay calm, stay here, and I'll be right back. So, of course, you had to press that button. Well, I mean, I think anyone would have done the same, so I don't blame you. Well, since you're here now, maybe you can make yourself useful. So this is a word I was working on. As you can see, it's far from over, far from done. Maybe you can give me your opinion on this part of the word. This is just factory, and yeah. What do you think about the mood or the atmosphere? I'll just give you a few minutes so you can look around, and then I'll spawn a few buttons and you can give me your most honest feedback. Thank you. Oh, um, okay, well, at least that's honest. On to the next one, I guess. So this one was made for some kind of underwater level. I never finished it. I think it's really trying to jump off the platform. For the one level, I'm not adding invisible walls because I felt like nobody would try that. just vote, please. It's not hard. Ouch. Okay. Well, I still have another one. If you want. Let me load it up. So, last one, I guess. Well, try to be honest at least this time. Thank you very much. I see. You know what? Let's try something else. So, now that we are friends and all, I just want to play a little game with you. See, there's a market in the city, and I need you to go there and buy me a drink. Just try to avoid other people. You were not supposed to come here. Congratulations, you just won the game. No, I'm not trying that person who was perfect identity, but you do you. Let me just load the next level. Ah, finally! It was about time. Damn, you took your time. Well, let's just play another little game. Very easy again. I'm just gonna give you a few choices, and you just choose whatever you think fits the conversation the best. See? Very easy, right? last question. Hey, good job, really. Hey, that was some nice conversation you had there. Very, very, very deep, very meaningful, you know. Lots of meaning in your words. Very good choices overall, really. I think you chose the best answers to each question. Good job. Just wait a minute.